Hello guys, and welcome to my new asynchronous class. Remember that the guiding question for a project in this term is how can my ideas and ideals turn into powerful actions? Today's session is called Twice the Challenge. Our inquiry lines for logical math are environmental awareness and future vision. And our performance is called We're Stronger Together. The purpose of today's session is understanding word problems with multiplication with two-digit operations. And the criteria are: identify the process to solve two-digit multiplications, show understanding of a process by registering or writing down key information, and showing willingness to complete the task. The materials for today's session are your timetables chart, paper, and all you need to take notes. And the instructions are quite simple. First, make sure that you pay attention all the time during the video and take careful notes of important details. So we're gonna have a look at some word problems. Let's start. A person produces 2 kilograms of garbage per day. How many kilograms will a person produce in 15 days? Let's try to visualize this information. So, this represents the amount of garbage in one day that a person can produce. What about 15 days with the same amount of trash every day? This is just an example. You know that there should be even more trash cans. So this time repeated addition is just not a good idea because it would take a really long time. So we need to do a normal operation, and we're going to see how to do it with 2 digits on top and 1 digit down. It looks like this. So we are going to multiply 15 times 2. As usual, we need to start by our right. So 2 times 5. And if you know, memorize, or if you're looking at your timetables, you know that 2 times 5 equals 10. We keep the 1 on the first column, and the 10 passes on to the next column. Next step is to multiply 2 times 1. 2 times 1 equals 2, right? And we need to add up the remaining 10 from the first operation. So 2 times 1 equals 2 plus 1 equals 3. 15 times 2 equals 30. But remember that we need to answer the question. So, how many kilograms does a person produce in 15 days? We need to write an answer to this problem. And it looks like this. A person produces 30 kilograms of garbage in 12 days. Having the operation and a written answer, the problem is complete. If a family saves 8 liters of water per day, how many liters can a family save in 30 days? So 8 liters per day. Now 8 liters every day for 30 days. Imagine the amount of water. Then again, doing repeated addition is not a good idea. So let's go straight up to the operation. We need to multiply 30 on 8. And as usual, we need to start with the right column, the first column on our right. So 8 times 0. 8 times 0 equals 0. And then 8 times 3 equals, that's right, it's 24. So we put the values down into the total and it looks like this. So 30 times 8 equals 240. Now we only need to answer the question. How many liters can a family save in 30 days? The answer is a family can save 240 liters of water in 30 days. Let's carry on with a different problem. If a computer consumes 42 watts, how many watts does 9 computers consume? We'll go straight up to the operation. So 42 times 9 will give us the answer. We need to start multiplying on our right, so 9 times 2. 9 times 2 equals 18. As we have 2 digits, we keep the first on the ones, which is 8. And the remaining 10 is moved on or passed on to the second column. Now we need to multiply 9 times 4. 9 times 4 equals 36. And we need to add up this remaining one. So it's 37. And with that, we complete the result of this multiplication. Now let's look at the question one more time. How many watts does 9 computers consume? And the answer is 9 computers consume 378 watts. Now that we have looked at some problems and take careful note, maybe you can watch the video a second time and make sure that you keep practicing your timetables. I will see you very soon. Bye-bye.